There's an amazing new product on the market that can save you money in the long run. And it can even turn your electric meter back, meaning that the power company could owe you money. It's solar shingles, and Academy Roofing is an exclusive installer of this amazing technology. Academy Roofing is locally owned, and they're celebrating their 31st year in operation. They're BBB accredited with an A+ rating, and they specialize in both residential and commercial roofs. Kurt Boyd, the owner and president of Academy Roofing, joins us today. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Chris.
So let's talk about what is a solar shingle.
Well, a solar shingle, more common, is a shingle or a roof protection, just like we think of roof protection, with a solar element integrated right into it. Literally, each shingle, each powerhouse, DOW powerhouse shingle that is manufactured has its own panel integrated right onto that shingle piece or that roofing material.
Okay, and you can see right here, so each shingle is a solar quote-unquote panel in essence.
Exactly.
It's just different than what we're used to seeing, which is just the solar panels. And people just really stop liking the look of that. It still works the same though, doesn't it?
Well, it works, and at times the panels have a little bit higher efficiency because you can group them differently than what we can integrate this our powerhouse shingle on the roof. But sometimes if it's a person's home, they don't like the look of it, and it really is kind of a turnoff, and you lose the opportunity to manufacture your own energy.
Okay, and that's really what the key is: manufacturing your own energy, and you can get credits and rebates in order to help pay for that, because it is more expensive than putting on just a regular shingled roof.
It is, because it's really two systems in one. Mm-hmm. It's an energy producer, and it's your roofing system as well. And it literally takes the place of the roof in the areas where those solar panels are. Those solar shingles all hook together as we install them. They go to an inverter box, which then goes into the meter and can hook you right into the grid.
All right, and what is the payback? Probably, what, 10 years, 20 years? How long does it take for someone that wants to invest in this and go green and do well for the environment? How can they get their money back, let's say, too, though?
Well, that's really the $10,000 question, mm-hmm. Chris, because there are so many different variables that go into these systems in terms of how large your home can handle, the orientation your home has to the sun, the slope of the roof, and if you have any shading that's out of your control, possibly a building next door, a chimney that you never thought about that's right in the middle of the roof that does some shading. So we really evaluate each home on a home-to-home basis, and then evaluate what area you're in terms of your XL energy credits, if you happen to be in an XL area, and the rebates that they provide as well. So I would hesitate on public television to make that commitment, but I will make the commitment that we're certainly open to visiting with anybody about this.
Sure. So you can come out and take a look and see specifically, how is it going to impact that particular person's home.
That's right.
Okay.
And I think it's really important to point out that Dow is backing this product, and they chose Colorado as the very first state in the country to roll this product out, and we're one of 3 contractors statewide who've been named dealers by Dow Solar, and we're really proud to be on that team, and our hope is that we can help a lot of people.
Yeah, and that's very exclusive, one of 3 in the entire state. Do you expect that to grow a little bit, or do you think they'll probably keep it that small and have it that elite?
Well, of course we'd like it to stay that elite, but I think as the power of this product catches on, there's no question that more people will be added, and they'll roll out different states throughout the country right now. But right now we're one of 3 contractors that are really nationwide.
So I'm going to tell people how they can get a hold of you if they have an interest in this. It is very exciting. So thanks so much for sharing it, and I'm going to give out your number.
Thanks, Chris.
Thanks, Kurt. Academy Roofing has been working in Colorado for more than 30 years. They focus on Metro Denver, but they also do work in Boulder, Fort Collins, Colorado Springs, and the mountain communities. So call them today at 303-360-0708, or you can visit their website at academyroofinginc.com. Mention Haystack when you call and get $25 off a gutter cleaning. The number once again is 303-360-0708. We'll be right back.